Okay, here we've got a question with 12 cos x minus 4 sine x, okay, which we need to put into r cos x plus alpha. They're really kind because alpha's acute, and they're really bizarre because they want you to work in degrees for some strange reason. But finding r and alpha, this is just a piece of bookwork straight out of your notes, so I can't really help, okay? Hence solve this equation. So having got your r and your alpha, you are obviously going to use the fact that this thing here, which is the same as this thing here, okay, you're going to replace this by your r cos of x plus alpha expression equal to 7. But of course you'll be able to put in the value of r, and you'll be able to put in the value of alpha, and you'll be able to divide to get cos of x plus alpha equals something after you've divided. And then what you've got to do is get the sequence right. We know what cos of the bracket is, so you're going to do an inverse cos of whatever you've got over here, and you're going to get your second solution to that straight away. So use a graph or whatever method you've been taught for getting the alternative solutions for a trig equation to get a second solution. And you may need to add or subtract 360 degrees to either of these solutions. Bear in mind that you're going to be needing to take away the alpha away from the solutions at the end, and the final answers for x need to end up in that range there. So you may need to adjust your answers by adding or subtracting 360 degrees, and you'll find out whether you need to do that at the stage where you subtract alpha. But make sure you get 2 alphas for x plus alpha, 2 answers for x plus alpha, before you start taking your alpha value away. And of course, throughout this, you're working with alpha as a particular angle in degrees that you found in part A. Okay, and then the fun continues. We now want the minimum value of this. So once again, we're not really interested in the minimum value of 12 cos x minus 4 sine alpha. You're again thinking of it as being r cos of x plus alpha. So one way of getting the minimum value is to think what transformations this r causes and what transformation the plus alpha causes. Okay, and the ordinary cos graph, you know where it has maximum and minimum values. You can use the transformations caused by the r and the alpha to work out what the new minimum value will be and where that's going to happen. So that's what we've got to do. We've got to get the minimum value, and we've got to find out where it happens. So sketch the graph considering the transformations.